Hi, my name is Sam Schultz. I'm with Home Group 1, powered by Real Broker LLC. Today we're at 26294 Cloverland in Lacombe, Louisiana. I'm here with my partner Lou Stahl.
Hello.
And we're going to do a quick tour of this property. Before we go inside, you can see there's some additional buildings on the right side here. There's a very large shed. And then there's a two-car, it looks like a garage, even though we have a garage on the unit itself. I'm going to take a quick video tour of the property. It's a very large property. It's over an acre. So if you're looking for some space to breathe and to get away from a lot of other people, this is a great place for that. So anyway, let's take a walk inside. Lou's going to talk to us about what's going on in there. Before we get in there, I'm going to talk to you about this screened-in porch here. You can see all the carriage lights on the outside, which is very cool. All right, we have a metal roof, which will last for next to forever. I think Lou will tell you that. Like I said, it's a screened-in porch. Very large. You have a whole gathering just out here on the porch. Has ceiling fans on the outside. Some more carriage lights. And we'll take a quick walk inside. And Lou's going to talk to you about what's going on in here.
First room we enter is a den, and if you look, it's solid tongue and groove all the way up to the roof. Brick fireplace, stone fireplace, sorry. Very unique rustic look to this house. Right there where Sam's shining, that window, there's a fixture above it. It could be a formal dining area, or you could just leave it as it is and use it as part of the den, depending on how your family lives. It goes to the outside to a unique pond and huge backyard. It's covered back there. Of course. Great for seafood boils, barbecues, etc. You got plenty enough room for everything. A little picnic area. Get a real good shot of how large this lot really is.
A really nice porch swing. And the lot is fenced on the front side, so you can keep this separate from the front.
It's a good shot of the stairs going up to the bedrooms upstairs. Again, it's all very rustic, all wood, very unique. Going into the kitchen, not a bedroom, don't sleep in here. It's got a real neat snack bar area, lots of counter space, oven, gas stove, refrigerator, freezer, custom cabinets. The countertop is new, obviously. Very nice upgrade to the house. Lots of light. Should have no problem entertaining in here at all. I like it. Moving into the hallway. To the left, you have a washer dryer utility section. Good storage, plenty of room to work with the hookups. And to the other side, you're going into the master area with the full bath. Again, it's updated. Nice. Sam likes the shower area.
This shower is really kind of new, really nice in my opinion, because it has that river stone, has an inlay, and it's unique. You don't see that very often. Not here. Not in Slidell.
No, a little more like Wyoming maybe, but you have a linen closet, again to the right. Lots of wood shelving, plenty storage room. And moving in is the master bedroom. Plenty of room for king size furniture. And to Sam's left is the closet.
Large walk-in closet. Real wood shelves. A lot of hanging space in here.
And now we're going to be heading up the almighty stairs.
This house is kind of unique. This corner has shelving unit in it,
Yep.
so for more storage space.
And
or
all tongue and groove.
knickknacks. There's a large closet space underneath the stairs.
Good entry closet. This house has a real simple flow to it. If you're entertaining, there's lots of room.
Looks like these stairs were just refinished. It looks really nice. Somebody spent a lot of time getting this house ready for sale.
Lots of gloss to the flooring throughout. Good shot of the den from the second floor.
It's a beautiful floor down there. You can see it's not the traditional stuff you see here in Slidell, which is a wood laminate. It may be wood laminate, we're not sure, but
It's
sure
well
has a good-
finished.
it has a good look to it. This house has real wood doors. I think they're hollow, but they're good wood doors. You see the window casings are dual pane windows. Large closet space. Looks like there may be more storage in
Yep.
the attic space there.
Moving on to the left. Got air returns. Not very noisy, which I like. Another full bath.
A little bit more inlay on this one. This one is tile completely. You see the windows with the wood. That's a real wood window there.
And here's the third bedroom.
This one has French doors, which is really kind of cool. Goes out onto the balcony. There's a nice large walk-in closet. Take a quick walk outside. If I can get the door open. I'll give you an idea about the vastness of this property. It is really large.
What a great view of the aerated pond, Sam. It looks neat.
So if you want to put some fish in here, I don't know, I guess you could put some catfish. I guess they would be okay. I don't know.
A lot of room for 1,800 square foot house.
Okay. So I'm going to give you a quick view of Lou so he can tell you about us.
Hi, I'm Lou Stahl with Home Group 1, powered by Real Brokers LLC. Sam and I have been together about 4 years now. We now work under the Real broker coverage, I guess is the best way to say it, in the state of Louisiana. We'll be featuring homes like this at least once a week, probably more. And what we'd like to do is, if you see something you like, let us know. If you'd like to walk through it, give us a call. My number is 504-258-1971. Sam?
And my name is Sam Schultz. Again, I'm with Home Group One, powered by Real Broker LLC. My number is 985-503-2741. But you can call me or Lou anytime, and we'd be happy to walk you through any home that's available in this area. And occasionally we could find a home that's not on the market if you're looking for something special.
Yep.
So give us a call. Thank you.
Thank you.